3 broken Parkside tools later, no banana was hurt.
I'm nervous. Such a responsibility. Let's do it. Wow! 1 bandsaw, 2 bandsaws, 3 bandsaws. Oh, my leg! My leg!
Hey! If you missed the story, don't worry. The short version is everything that could go wrong did. The moment of truth! What the f***? I suspect a motor failure and they sent me a replacement tool. Jesus Christ, look at that! The saw is completely damaged. They're not going to believe me. While unboxing, I noticed it has a damaged blade. That's it for today's review, guys. So here we are, 3 bandsaws in one workshop. No, I'm not crazy. I don't need 3 bandsaws here. Parkside sent me a third tool to replace these 2 broken ones. And at last it works. But these 2? Well, I have an idea. Here's the deal. I want to make one working tool out of 2. Bandsaw number 1. Working motor, damaged blade. Bandsaw number 2. Engine dead, perfectly fine blade. All I need to do is to take the blade from this machine, to install it on this machine, and voila, we will have one working bandsaw. In theory, this should work. In reality, let's see. And if it works, I need only one working bandsaw anyway. So, the repaired one might go to one of my viewers' workshop. Wow! So, let's start. I will remove the working one. It's fine and it will stay with me forever or until it breaks again. You never know, you never know. This one is with broken motor. I already marked it for me not to forget. And this one with the broken blade. I'm not actually sure if it's very dangerous to use this blade, but it looked quite bent, and to stay safe, I want to swap it. So first, let's remove the damaged blade first. We just open this section, we open this section, and it's falling by itself already. We have to open this. Parkside. So this one we consider damaged. I will test it later with my good working machine and maybe I can still use it, but I don't want to give away the tool with a risky blade. I will keep it for myself. Maybe it should move like that? I don't know. I'm not an expert, you know, so I'm sorry. Let's put this here and we will see how it looks on the second machine. I want to see if it's moving the same or not. Now it doesn't move at all, but I guess I have to reduce the tension. Maybe it will do the same. Yeah, I guess it's the same. It has to have some freedom for balancing the vibrations. I'm just learning on the go, guys. Let's do the same. Let's remove the blade. It seems that I might lost a screw. I think I threw it away with the box already. Not a problem. We'll take it from the other broken tool. Now we have a lot of spare parts, so why not using it? And one last thing. This was damaged during the transportation. It's bent, as you can see. It should hold the push stick. It works fine now, like that, but I don't like that it's bent. So we will do the same. We will take a good straight bolt from our spare parts machine. I will call it like that now. Spare parts bandsaw. Ta-da! Now we should have a second working tool, guys. Let's test it, guys. Let's test it. Dum dum dum. Safety first. Let's go. Something was making some noise inside. I don't like that noise. Should I have more tension or less tension, guys? One more try. Sounds better now. Yeah, definitely I needed more tension, so I figure out myself. But anyway, leave a comment. Tell me that I did something wrong anyway. It didn't record anything. I forgot to push the record button. Good job. Okie dokie, final test. And I actually have one interesting idea about that. Oh, Marshall!
Me?
Yeah, I will allow you to test this tool. But only this time. And be very, very careful, okay?
According to international workshop standards, this is the ultimate calibration object. Let's do it!
That was supposed to be a technical test, Marshall.
This is my way of doing things, Edward.
This whole story started with broken tools and frustration. But instead of throwing things away, we fixed something. And now we have two working tools. And as I said, one of them, exactly this tool, is going to one of you guys. To participate, subscribe and leave a comment below answering this. What should Marshall build as his first project using this bandsaw? Unfortunately, due to regulations and shipping costs, I can offer participation for European Union members only. The winner will be chosen live using a random spinner on my live streaming channel. Check for all the details and conditions in the description below. After all this, I finally have a working bandsaw.
So Edward, when do I start building something?
Yeah, this might be my next big problem.